Laundry is a mundane task which you have to do for the rest of your life. No matter if you're working or staying at home mom, you just can't turn your face from it. So why not do it in a certain way which will be less time consuming and also you can enjoy it a little bit. So here I'm sharing with you all my current laundry routine along with some interesting facts for you related to the laundry. Namaste, I'm Priyanka and once again welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, I'm going to share some hacks related to laundry so that you can enjoy this process a little bit. So let's get started. A good quality laundry hamper is a must for every home. Invest in a quality one. Go ahead and take the one which will stay with you for years. This laundry hamper I have been using for the last 6 years and I must say, I had really picked a nice one. This comes with the handles on the top for easy access. By using these handles, you can easily take the hamper from one place to another. These can be easily collapsed from here, which makes it even more convenient to handle it with just one hand. It has this nice copper frame and this cover can be easily removed for washing. And also, this is waterproof. You can also keep these kind of collapsible laundry basket if you have tons of laundry or if you are expecting guests. These are also waterproof. When you need to use, simply open it for keeping clothes and once when you are done, just fold it and keep it nicely. Keep in your bathroom as per the space available. Look at your space and decide which kind of drying rack or stand you need. If you have a small balcony like mine, I would suggest going for these roof-mounted stainless steel drying rods. I have been using these rods for a very long time and they're still intact and doing their job perfectly fine. This is a 6 feet long rod and it comes in a set of 6 rods. You need to get it installed from the carpenter. Now as here you can see, these rods are not individually connected with each other, which makes it convenient to use it anytime. If you have less clothes for drying, just get 1 or 2 rods and put your clothes over them. You just have to use these nylon strings for pulling the rod up and down. Once you are done, just fix the string in the slot. Nowadays, we all are getting our clothes ironed from the outside, which reduces our work of ironing, but still, we can't deny there might be some of the clothes which needs to be ironed by us at home. So for that, you can use this small foldable ironing board, which can be easily kept on the bed to iron. Like if in the morning you want to iron the school uniform, this is a good tool. If you directly keep the clothes on the bed for ironing, that's not good for the mattress. So use this foldable small board. Just open it on the bed and use it to iron. When not in use, fold it and keep it behind the door. Whenever you are washing cushion covers, sofa cover or cleaning the curtains, make sure to use store-bought fabric softener. Throw these covers directly in the drum and then add the detergent. Use fabric softener. Fabric softener not only responsible for making your clothes soft, but it also gives a nice fragrance. These covers which you are washing are supposed to be used again after months. So if you use softener, the covers will be soft and also the fragrance will be added. And once they are dry, fold them and keep them inside your linen closet. Now the closet will also smell awesome and next time when you use the covers, the home will smell amazing. I always do it when I change the set of cushion covers or curtains and every time I open my linen closet, believe me, it smells heavenly. Whenever you're folding the clothes, make sure to keep a basket ready with a pair of scissors, lint roller, lint shaver to remove any lint you see, cut the loose threads. This could be a nice therapy for you and also for your clothes. And also make sure to keep enjoying while you're folding. For everyday laundry like cleaning innerwears, kitchen towels, cleaning rags, we mostly hand wash them. So to dry them, use these kind of multiple hooks hanger. It can be easily hung anywhere. It comes with these pegs where you can hang towels or rags easily, and it can be easily shipped from one place to another. I use it every day whenever I clean my kitchen towels or innerwears. We often think that putting lot of detergent in the machine will give cleaner clothes. No, that's not correct. Too much detergent also creates a surplus of suds that can prevent your garments from rubbing against one another. It can leave the residue of detergent all over the clothes, which eventually invites the breeds and bacteria inside the washer. No need to completely fill this tray. Use half the quantity of detergent you're currently using and see if the clothes will be as clean as they were earlier. Now, this is also one of the hot topics of laundry. Which cycle to select? Every automatic machine has two modes to work, hot and cold cycle. One section is completely dedicated if you want to use a steam cycle for cleaning. Many people think that the clothes will be cleaner if we use the hot cycle. Hot cycle needs more electricity as the machine has to warm the water, which eventually reflects in your electricity bill. Colder water can lower your bill, and also the cold cycle means clothes are less likely to shrink or fade. If you get any new clothes, make sure to use cold water if you hand wash it. Hot water are preferably for the clothes which are spoiled like oil stains or mud, then use a hot cycle. For everyday cleaning, the cold cycle is more than perfect. We often wear new clothes which we get from the market. Why not? As the colors look bright, lines are crisp, beautiful embellishments. But we should avoid doing this because the new clothes have loose color dye. If that's not cleaned first, it can be transferred to your skin and it can cause severe reactions. And also, it's touched by so many other people. So, it's always a good practice to wash first to remove any bacteria or chemicals from it, remove the tags, and throw them in the drum, and run a minimal cycle to clean them. This is a 7 kg washing machine, which means I can wash one bucket of clothes in one go. But don't overload it because putting too many clothes item leaves less room for water, which means water circulation decreases, which limits effective cleaning. Now to properly check if the machine is overloaded or not is to fill the clothes. Then keep your hand on the top like this. Now try to move your hands at 90 degrees. If the hand moves properly, then you are good to go. Clothes should be evenly and loosely distributed inside the drum. I am not a big fan of store-bought fabric softener, but yes, it's not completely taken out from the laundry. But we can definitely replace it with an eco-friendly substitute, that is vinegar. If you're like me who don't want to have a lot of chemicals on daily basis, then yes, vinegar is better. I personally don't like too much strong fragrance on my daily clothes, so I use vinegar for the same. It also keeps the clothes soft like softeners and doesn't leave strong fragrance on the clothes. Laundry is indeed a mundane thing, which nobody wants to do. So let's keep it pretty, so that you want to keep coming back to this place and enjoy working here. You can watch my utility or laundry room organization videos to know how I have organized the space. Link is given below. Whenever you're washing the daily wearing clothes, make sure to flip them inside out and also try to keep the pockets out. Reason is very simple. The inside of the clothes gets dirtier because of sweat and moisture, which makes this side more spoiled. So flip it to wash it nicely from this side. When you are sun drying it, then also flip it inside out to protect the color fading because of the UV light. One of the few things I like to do in the morning is to clean at least one load of clothes. And for that, the clothes need to be in the drum in the night earlier. So at night before bed, I load the drum with clothes and close the door. In the morning, I just have to add the detergent and run the cycle. While machine is doing its work, I can finish other household chores. I always prefer to do one load every day. Believe me, it really helps in avoiding the pile of clothes in the laundry basket. Earlier, I had tried to do laundry on a dedicated day, but that only piled up and increased my work. I wash clothes which we wear daily. I use liquid detergent, not too much, only what's required. And I always run them in the minimum time selection with low spin in the cold cycle, which is perfect for me. While the clothes are getting clean, I remove the previous day's clothes from the drying rack and always keep one basket handy to collect them. I keep these dried clothes aside for folding. When the machine has finished washing, I try not to leave the clothes inside the drum for too long, as keeping the clothes in the drum can make clothes smell bad because of no air inside. Now it's time to hang these washed clothes over the rod. I like to fold the clothes only when I'm completely free so that I can watch or call someone, and folding will also be done simultaneously. As I said, it's a mundane task to wash, dry, fold, and repeat. You need to find your routine around it. I keep the folded clothes aside, and whenever I happen to go any room, I like to take the clothes with me to keep them inside the shelf. Now, if I got any clothes ironed from the outside, I don't linger to keep those clothes lying for too long, as it would only make ironed clothes go wrinkled, so I keep them back to their proper place as soon as I get them. Every Monday, I like to wash the bed sheets, pillow covers, and doher from our bedroom. Once in every month, I like to clean the curtains and cushion covers. One load every day, which is followed by the occasional load of cleaning bed sheets and other things. This is my simple and everyday task, which I'm sure you guys can relate to easily. I have done it in a way so that at the end of the day, I still have a smile on my face. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you next time with another video. Till then, bye bye and take care.